going for a sunset long run right now, and I think it's just a bit too beautiful not to record some of this stuff. I've already seen like 7 deer probably. Well, we've come across some deer, so I think that means we have to turn around so we don't get attacked. Oh yeah, I mean, it's so beautiful. So yeah, it's a little windy out. Look, birds. I mean, come on. This is great. All the white trees are blossoming right now. It's so pretty. All the flowers, like those petal trees, it's so beautiful. Got another one of those trees up there. Look at this dude, just chilling. Well, we've come across some deer, so I think that means we have to turn around so we don't get attacked. All right. Well, it's starting to turn real orange. Craziest sunset I've ever got to run through for sure. It's pretty spectacular. Running through this too, it's like fast too. It's just like the greatest feeling in the world. I missed a little bit of filming just because I had to speed up a little bit. And it's too hard to film. But, you know, lovely run, lovely night, lovely sunset. It's a little cold now, so I can't really feel my fingers too much. But, yeah, successful run. We hit our 9